Hey, what's up? So let's get right into it. These are gnome earrings. I made $800 selling these gnome earrings. This stuff is so easy when you have the right avenues to take, and it's not very hard to find those paths. So I'm going to tell you about these earrings now and how easy it was to make this. So this is very creative. You have to be resourceful for the most part, but you could probably do it without being so resourceful too. So if you go to Etsy and you type in gnome earrings, you could probably find some gnome earrings. Now this right here, this gnome came from a door sign that I made. I made a door sign and it had a gnome, and this nose was actually, that was one that you glue on the beard. This gnome used to have feet, he used to have hands, and it used to be holding something. I think it was like holding a candy cane or something. So what I did was this. I took the feet off, I took the hands off, and then I made the nose one that would be scored on there. I put this hole up here and I shrank it down, and then I made it an earring instead. I'm telling you, there's just so many things you can do with that laser. All right, so this used to be on a door sign, and all I did was repurpose it and made it an earring. Okay, so the type of wood that I used was draft board, all right? And then I used paint pins. I think they're called paint pins or paint markers, whatever. I bought one that has a very fine tip on one end, and then it has a bigger marker tip on the other end. So obviously for these little ones, you want to use the fine points. And then I painted that with that white. And then this right here is actually not the draft board. I painted that a tan color, the nose, and then I painted the hat red. And those little dots in there, I actually painted those the same color as the nose. And then that was it. It's very simple. Now here's the other part. It's very simple too, even more simple. So I bought this hoop earring. Well, it's not a hoop earring. I bought this dangle earring part here from Hobby Lobby, and this is actually one of the easier ones, because you literally just slide it on. So here, let me just show you really quick. With that hole being on there like that, you just slide this on. And now you have an earring. It's actually that simple. There's other ones that you can use that'll attach it more firm or make it more sturdy, but this we found to be the easiest way. And then when somebody puts them on, they look good. You know, they hang still. They just hang from your ear like that. They hang about, I don't know, a quarter inch away from the ear, and it looks good. So I got those from Hobby Lobby. This little rubber piece comes with it, obviously, and that keeps it from falling off. Keeps it on your ear. Okay, so let me tell you what I did. I sold these for $20 a piece. Of course, this was to a targeted group. It wasn't just random, put it on Etsy. Although you could sell these on Etsy for $20 a piece. You could, but this wasn't that. This was targeted. This was to a group of people who love gnomes. It's a Facebook group, and it was targeted to them. I talked to the admin. I said, hey, could I sell these earrings on your page? And then it was just something like, hey, I'd pay you $100. It's very simple. I'm telling you, this type of marketing is just so easy. It's similar to an influence marketing, but it's not really influencer marketing. But that person owns the group, and then they have all those people in it. So then if I just say, hey, I'll give you $100 if you'll put my link on your page and then you sell this thing. They say, yeah, because it's $100. And most of those people on Facebook don't know how to make money with their Facebook group anyways. And then they make their post. Actually, they can make the post, but it's better if you make the post for them. You make the post, you say whatever you need to say about it, because you know your product more than they do. So make the post, and then kind of tell them to add their intro to it, just so it sounds like them, and then they'll post it, and then those people are going to buy it. because it's a targeted sale. It's people who love gnomes anyways. So then when they see this product here and it's coming from the group admin and they're part of that private group or public group, whatever type of group it is, when they're part of that group, they get this targeted sale and it's only a $20 buy, they're going to buy it. And it only costed you $100. So you can make much more than $800 doing this. That was just what I made in the first day. But say I was to pay, I don't know, $100 or $50, whatever, every week for a couple months, then you'd see I make a huge profit from that. So anyways, the board cost me right around $16. It's a 12 by 20 inch board and it's draft board. I buy it straight from Glowforge. You can buy it straight from the maker of your laser, wherever that is. You can also buy generic or unbrand draft board too, uncovered. I get some draft board from someplace online. I forget the name of it right now, like Sunnydale or Sunny Day or whatever it is. It's something. But the draft board that I get from there, it's not covered and it makes my laser super, super dirty and it stinks very bad. So I don't know what they're using in their draft board. It's not as good as the Glowforge draft board. So anyways, that's what it is. I sold these $20 a piece, made $800 in one day. If you have any questions, leave them below, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.